to my channel. You solve. Today I will talk about a new projector, that is TMY 9500 Lumens Bluetooth mini projector. So let's watch its ad. If you carefully watch the ad, you can see the various features on this projector. What resolution does it produce? How long is the screen? Color depth, image quality, etc. I will not go on them again. Rather, I will talk about the usability and usefulness. So let's unbox it and see what is coming with the packaging. Hey guys, today I'm in my corridor and I show you the TMY Lumens projector package items. First of all, this package includes the projector itself. It is lightweight and can be held in one hand. The overall size of this projector is so small that it can be covered in two hands only. Before you can run it, you need to open the cover from its lens. To adjust the position on the screen, you need to run the wheels like a DSLR camera. On the top back, you can manually adjust the orientation of the projector screens with these buttons. As usual, this projector comes with a 3 to 1 pin mic connector, a HDMI connector and a VGA connector. You can see on the left side, all of the ports are here. 2 audio ports, a card reader port, HDMI, USB and a VGA port. Let's assemble the cables and start the projector. You can see how this projector's screen looks with default settings. I am using a black screen cloth for better result. Built-in sound quality of TMY Lumens is very clear and soothing. Like Samsung smartphones, I never heard any buzzing sound like an old projector. So when you first open this projector, you can get a manual book, a remote controller, one audio cable, one HDMI cable, one VGA cable and a built-in power cable. This multi-purpose projector is easy to use and stands in a minimal location. You can easily set up this mini projector on the wall, simple and clean. You can use multiple devices to operate this projector, from smartphones to Xbox, TV stick to PS3 or 4, as well as old devices like DVD players, UDs and even PCs. This projector will give you full freedom to watch your program on the screen. If you are comfortable with a smartphone and want to see movies from there, you can do it easily with a cable or Bluetooth connection. You can play games on a big screen too. Okay, now let's talk about how you can connect with your devices. To connect with smartphones, you can use both Apple and Android phones. To connect with Apple devices, you need a Lightning to HDMI adapter, and for Android devices, you need Google Chromecast HDMI adapter. You can easily buy those cables in the Amazon store and they are cheaper. I will put links in the description, don't worry. Also, you can connect with multiple devices at once in a Bluetooth setting. Headphones, speakers and earbuds can be connected with Bluetooth. You can even cast a smartphone screen with Bluetooth. Other supported devices can use either HDMI or VGA cables to connect with the projector. No extra configurations will be necessary. So we will not talk about those in this video. Maybe another time if anyone requests. If you have any queries, suggestions or questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try my best to help you. Good day. Peace upon you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.